Hello, agents. Hello, everyone. Time for split annuity numbers again. So here we go. Let's jump into this for November 14th. This was run on November 14th. And of course, these rates are subject to change. But let's assume this is a combo split annuity. We're using a multi-year guarantee annuity on one side and immediate annuity on the other. This works best for non-qualified money, so cash or after-tax money, because we get some kind of exclusion on that. And we're going to use these two products and split it out and guarantee both sides. So let's look at the growth back. So we're going to take 380. That's the amount it's going to cost to grow back at 5.6%. That's my current rate today on a 5-year MIGA back to your principal, right? So we take the difference is $119,240. And we're going to use that to buy the immediate annuity. That's the income side, right? This is going to kick out your monthly income. And that monthly income right now is $2,183. So quite an increase from months ago. These rates are way up. So after that, we're going to look at, assuming it's 100% cost basis, that payment is also 91% tax excluded. So of that 2,100, 90% of it's not included to tax. Why? Because it's a return of your own money. And it's less interest. There's not a lot of interest coming out of that. It's a return of your money. Where the interest being earned is on the other side. So this side's going to earn $119,000 of interest, right? So that 380 at 560 grows back to $500,000. So there's your split annuity design, right? This is the deferred side. That's the income side. All these numbers are guaranteed. All these will do, the income is guaranteed for 5 years, whether the person, it's not life-based, so it'll pay no matter what. And on this side, you'll have a full death benefit or the client keeps it to make sure it grows back. But if there's a death there, yeah, you have some other options at that point. So agents, also anyone looking at this really, the commissions, here are the commissions for this. The income side is 3%. The deferred side, the MIGA side is 2.75. And these commissions are all built in. All of these numbers include all the costs, fees, and all that. There's nothing additional. So when you put the $500,000 in, this is the deal. This is what you're going to get. That's how it breaks down. So let's take a look at my work here. This is the purchase of $119,240. It kicks off the 5-year income of $2,183 at 91% exclusion. I'm using A+ company for that. I'm using an A- company for this side because it's just got the best rate. If you want to use a higher rated company, of course, the rate's going to go down. It's cost of insurance. But as you see at 5.6%, that 380 grows back to $500,000. So what's important to look at here is the 2183 times 60 payments is 131,000. So your 119 is going to return you 131. So the interest is why it's 90% tax free, is that difference between 119 and 131. That's the interest you're earning, right? So I'm assuming a non-premium tax state. These other states here, you see right here, will be a little lower payment because those states want some of your money. They want a premium tax on that. But otherwise, that's all guaranteed. But what's there to look out for here? So be aware that on this particular MIGA, you have a 30-day window at the end. And a lot of these multi-year guarantee annuities now have this 30-day window. So you want to move it, otherwise the surrender charges re-up. There are some that are walk away that you could use, of course, but right now we're just trying to do the best deal, and that's how that works. Additionally, you do have an access of 5%, right, into this MIGA side. However, if you use any of that access, you're not going to grow back to $500,000. And usually the money you take out of that's fully taxable because it's going to be the interest out first. So just a couple things. It's not illustrated. And the idea is to leave it alone once you dial it in. Just keep the $2,100 a month and let your other amount of money, your 380, grow back to $500,000. But again, there is a full death benefit on this. So God forbid something happened and in that second year, the client died, the 424 would go to the heirs and the income would continue for the next 3 years. That's how that breaks down. So pretty simple. Those are the numbers this month. Really good increase. I think we're looking at this 2183 as a really great number. I think we were quoting these months ago down to 1,700 a month. So we're talking big increases. Very good option for if you do not want to really increase your taxable income. Here's an idea where to use cash. Of course, if this was qualified money, you just probably want to strip the interest out of an account because it's 100% taxable anyway, and you get a little bit more yield out of that. So that's how that works. If you have any questions or you want an illustration, just go to annuityexperts.com. Go ahead and click on that split annuity. I'll pop up the form, fill it out, do it correctly. You'll get this page. And that's how that works. Here's some disclosures for you. If you want, pause the screen. That's the end of my presentation. Split annuity combo annuity for November 2024. Rates are up. Everything's looking beautiful there. That's a really attractive product now for your planning or to keep those taxes low and pull in an extra $20-something thousand a year of income on that $500,000. So anyway, any questions, give me a call. Feel free to follow me on LinkedIn and all those good social media platforms there. YouTube, of course. And thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.